This is a 2021 Ram TRX package with the 6.2 supercharger. We're just going to leave it all factory out the back, straighten these crooked tips up a little bit, but install a set of muffler deletes on there. Just put some nice 3-inch in there, leave it all stock. We'll just get back to you when we got it on there. Okay, so you can see we straightened up the rear exhaust tips. They are nice and centered. They were hanging down nice and low, so we've got them all tucked up in there. It looks a lot better. Installed the 3-inch muffler delete pipes in there, but left it all stock with a factory X pipe. It's going to wake it up. It's going to be loud. Let's see what it sounds like. Showing 123, as you can see, but it's definitely louder than that when you get on it.